Tutorial on unoriginality and originality content. Now watch this video. You are going to see this video is a video I made by myself. Then to know more about it, you have to go to edit in advance. When you go to edit in advance, you click. It will now bring you to this new page in editor. In studio. It will link you to studio. When it link you, edit advanced. When it link you to studio, when you come to the studio, then you have to click more options where is written tag, shows, remixing, and the category. When you click on it, you will find other options written add tags. You can add more tags you want to add, allow videos and other things, the categories and so on. Here you will find out that about the license. The license is clearly written standard YouTube license because the video is my own. Then they choose the category. You can choose the category of which your video is all about. That one is changeable. You can change it to the type of the video you want to present. Then also you see hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. You can also change that. If you want to change it, you change it. If you don't want, you leave it. And also there are other options in it. You can also allow all comments. But when you allow all comments, you have to know that there are some comments that is not potentially appropriate, and such might result as hold all comments for review. Then you have to review the comments before it will appear, or disable comments. So it depends on what you want to set. You can set in this particular comments options. Now another thing I want to show you is when you leave this place, go back to my page. When you go back to the page, you will see a different thing. The video I have shown to you is originality content of my own video because I'm the one who did it and did everything in it. It is my own video, that's why I have the standard YouTube license to it. And in this same video, I created reels or short. You see, it is standard YouTube license or Creative Commons attribution. Depends on what it is. But it is okay, is what I want to tell you. Secondly, from the same video, you can also create remixing. So in the same video, I also created remixing, and I want to show you the result of that remixing from more options. When you see, if you don't check these things I'm saying now formally in your videos, you should try to begin to check it, because at the end it might affect your YouTube channel. Now I want to check this one, remixing. I'm coming to it. Now I have to click more options. When I click more options, you see it is written standard YouTube license. That means I'm original of this video or this remix. Everything in it is my own, not from someone. That is why it's clear. Another thing I'm going to show you is when I remix with someone's video, it could be someone's music or anything another person did. You remix with it. Now you're going to see what it is written in more options. When you click on more options, you see the standard YouTube license is clone because it's not. I am not the original of this, and also shows you the options of you can delete from YouTube, but also allow embedding and also show how many viewers like this video and so on. So the major reason why I presented this video on this tutorial is for you to know that when you react with another person's video, this kind of thing might appear in your video because you are not the originality content of that video. But if you react on the video you did yourself, the originality of your video, you reacted to it, it will shows you have the standard license to that video. Again, I want to show you this particular one. When you see more options, you will see I also have the standard YouTube license to this because it originated by me, and other things are there. Okay. However, if this is your first time of watching, like, comment, and share, subscribe to my YouTube. As you are doing so, God bless you for your maximum support. Thank you for being with me. I love you. I love you. I love you this well. I hope you have learned what I said here. Try to check or checkmate your videos to see it. God bless you. See you once again.